Alright, y'all. It's Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. It's about 2 p.m. Give y'all a little walk around, show you what we've been working on today. I didn't really do a whole lot yesterday. Just took a break. But as you can see, we got the doors on it. We got both of these from LMC. But let me show you about the door. Coming up here, fits really good. Then it dives in a whole lot right there. And as you can tell, going around, it pushes itself out. So this upper piece is kind of cocked a little bit. But as you go down, you can see if I push in, it lines up pretty good. Got the rocker tacked in today. I haven't done no grind or anything on that. Just got it tacked in. Let me get down here. Show you what the old line looks like from the bottom up. And see there, she's pretty straight. So that's what we've been doing today. I just got the rocker put in. I think tomorrow I got the cab corner cut out because on these rockers, I'm pretty sure it's 1,000 videos of them. But as you know, the rocker, I'm sorry, the cab corner goes over this rocker piece right here and it comes up. So you gotta put the rocker in before you put your cab corners on. And then here's the passenger side door. This one's not too bad as far as this way. Definitely have to put some shims in it to bring it up. She's like whoop over this way too much. I mean, it's almost a finger width gap in there. It should be a little bit tighter. But as far as like up in here, it looks really good. Come down here, she bows out a little bit right here. But again, an old rocker. She lines up pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with the doors. And even though we're going to have to tweak that one a little bit up top here. All in all, we're getting there. I'm also working on stripping some more of this paint out here. This side right here has been a really berry to get off. I think this is the actual original white. Down there, the rocker, I got most of that out, but still got a little bit more to go. Driver's side, got most all of that on this side. All the way down. That's pretty much out. I mean, I got a couple little spots here and there, and I need to clean up. I need to get that little section right there grounded out, but I run out of little sand disc from a little DA sander. But we're getting there, y'all. See how that door just, it looks pretty good. It just down at the bottom, I have to push it in. Then it comes up and it bows out and then it cuts back in. So this right here is going to definitely be tweaked to where it sits up underneath that lip like it's supposed to. Alright, I'm going to get on off here. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. Alright, y'all. It's Thursday. I'm back at it. Just want to show y'all what we had got done for this week. When I left off, I was showing y'all how we had to work on the door. Well, went in here and got that cab corner in. She welded on in. Old line don't look too bad on the door. So that part is done. Been working on this a little bit more. Getting this stuff cleaned off. It's been a chore. But we'll get now. So what we got left to do. Let me show you. I was working on this side too. I really got this one. Should I hit that wall? Pretty much got this side almost totally done. I got just a little bit more in the stubborn little areas I got to get off, but I still got to take this piece of chrome off right here too. So all of it, anything else underneath here, I still got to get a little bit in here. Some of that is actually seam sealer, where they put the two panels together and they put a couple little spot welds in here. Then they go back in and they just seam seal all of it. So I got to get all that out. As you can see, sometime along in this life, it's had a new rocker put in there. You got one right there and one right there. That's Bondo because The original spot welds are right here. That's all original. They will just come up to here and they just put the spike gun on there. But yeah, somebody's been in here before, put a rocker in it, which that's good for us. That way we ain't got to do it. But we're almost to the point now where just start doing some body filling on the old girl. I'm gonna go in probably beginning of the week. You know, it's Memorial Day weekend. You know, I have gonna be able to have any time to work on the truck. Gotta do the family thing and, you know, go see the in-laws and have some good food and good times with everybody. But this is where we're at for this week, y'all. The rocker, the cab corner, the inner rocker, the floorboard are all in. Now I just gotta do all my cleanup work. You know, all the grinding of the welds. You know, because as you weld, as you see, she leaves little bumps. You just gotta grind them all flat. Get it, you know, as best as you can. Put a little layer of mud on top of it. You won't never tell it's ever been touched. Only thing left as far as welding wise I need to do, I need to still put that up underneath the floorboard. I need to put that inner brace for the cab mount. After that, all the sheet metal welding on the truck is done. It's completed. All we gotta do now is just start, like I said, go around, get all the white off of it. Put some good urethane primer on it, high build. Go around, do all my body work, any little dings and pings on the roof, on the side, because like I said in the very first video, it does have a couple of waves in here we're going to have to fix. So get them done. Put a couple coats of good urethane, high build primer on it. Once we get it final blocked, then we'll seal it and start figuring out about the paint. Then next, what I'm going to start working on is get that, like I said, get that piece in the floor in, finish that up, start working on the firewall. Get the firewall cleaned off and get that black. So until my next one, y'all be good.